The cell is the smallest functional unit of the human body. It is composed of different organelles, which works together homogeneously as a one family. There are some external environmental injuries stimuli, which lead to cell injury. So, what happened during the cell injury? Four mechanisms would occur during the cell injury, which are depletion of ATP, influx of calcium, damage to the mitochondria, and cell membrane damage. Depletion of ATP. ATP, the energy store of cells, is produced mainly by oxidative phosphorylation of adenose diphosphate ADP during reduction of oxygen in the electron transport system in mitochondria. The glycolytic pathway can generate ATP in the absence of oxygen using glucose from hydrolysis of intracellular glycogen. The major causes of ATP depletion: reduced supply of oxygen and decreased nutrients. The activity of a plasma membrane ATP-dependent sodium pump is reduced, resulting in the intracellular accumulation of sodium and efflux of potassium. Failure of ATP-dependent calcium pump lead to influx of calcium with damaging effect on numerous cellular components. So, now we'll talk about how the influx of calcium will cause cellular damage. Influx of calcium increases systolic calcium, which activate number of enzymes with potentially harmful effect, in addition to induction of apoptosis by increasing mitochondrial permeability. Increase in the systolic calcium occurs by increased influx across the plasma membrane, certain toxins, and release of calcium from the intracellular stores. Mitochondrial damage. Mitochondria are critical player in the cell injury and death, which are sensitive to many types of injury stimuli, including hypoxia, chemical toxin, and radiation. Mitochondria also can be damaged by reactive oxygen species, causing pores in the membrane called the mitochondrial permeability transition pores. This opening leads to the loss of mitochondrial membrane potential and pH changes. Mitochondria released many mediators in the cytoplasm, which tell the cell that there is injury and activate a pathway of apoptosis. Cell membrane is damaged by decreased in oxygen, reduced fall in ATP levels, leading to reduction in phospholipid synthesis, then phospholipid loss. In addition to the increase in the level of cytosolic calcium, which causes the phospholipase activation and proteases. These enzymes may cause damage of the element of cytoskeleton, leading to membrane damage. Now, we all know the stages of cellular responses to injury.